Today we're going to kind of go into a little bit of putting and what that looks like. So I got a ball right here, and one of the things to think about when we hit a putt, y'all stand right over here. One of the things to think about when we stand over a putt, obviously we hit it on the green. We have about 4 feet left. So the first thing I want to do is I want to take a big survey of this whole green. I want to see where the break is and see where I need to start this ball. Because the two most important things when you're hitting a putt is what?
Distance and direction.
Distance and direction. The 2 D's of putting. So for distance is pretty easy. It's basically determined on how far this putt is. So we have about 4 feet. So we need to hit a few practice strokes and take a few practice strokes to see how far we need to take this club back. Because that's usually what's going to determine distance, is how far you take this club back. Direction's a little bit different. Once we get behind the ball and survey the putt a little bit and see which way this ball breaks, usually there's a little handy line that's on the ball. And one thing that helps me is to line this line up where the ball should start. And usually on your putter, you're going to have a line on your putter as well, and it'll line up with the line on the ball, and that's where the putt will start. Another thing that influences direction is how the face is, if it's square or shut or open. If the face is square, it's probably going to go straight where you want it. If it's closed, it's going to go left, and if it's open, it's going to go right. So those are a few things we're going to think about when we putt. I'm going to hit one real quick. So I'm going to get behind this putt. I'm going to survey the green. It looks like the putt's moving a little bit left. So I'm going to get behind this ball, line this putt up, get behind it one more time, kind of go through a little bit of a routine that we'll develop as we hit more and more putts. Line the putt up. Pull back and pull through. That's how you make a putt.